Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I'm Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. CBSE prioritizes mother tongue learning from an early education stages. CBSE mandates mother tongue focused education, aligning with national education policy to preserve linguistic diversity as well as promote multilingualism when it comes to schools. CBSE has directed all the schools to utilize educational material focusing on learning in the mother tongue. Circular aligns with the National Education Policy of the year 2020 as well as the National Curriculum Framework of the year 2022. It mainly aims to promote a multilingual education and also at the same time preserve linguistic type of diversity. Collaboration between the National Council for Educational Research as well as Training in Indian Institute of Languages resulted in the creation of 52 primers tailored to various mother tongues as well as local languages that have been spoken across India. Languages include Bhutia, Bodo, Garo, Khandeshi, Kinnauri, Kuki, Manipuri, Nepali, Sherpa as well as Tulu. What is the National Curriculum Framework? So about NCF, key component of the new education policy of the year 2020. It's undergone for revisions in 1975, 1988, 2000 as well as 2005. Proposed fifth revision aims to energize the educational transformation. What are the sections of NCF? NCF for school education, NCF for early childhood care and education, NCF for teacher education, as well as NCF for adult education. So what exactly are the objectives? They transform school education system in line with the NEP 2020. They at the same time also ensure highest quality education for all the children and promote equity, inclusivity as well as pluralism as per the India's constitution. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.